ए मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम हंडर पूछना पड़ेगा अभी क्या है इसका नाम, बट वी आर इन दिस होटल। भैया चाय मिलेगा? चाय कॉफ़ी? चाय या कॉफ़ी? चाय। ठीक है, चाय दे देना। कल रात को फूड बहुत ही बढ़िया था, पेट भर के खा लिया। आज थोड़ा देख रहे हैं, लुक एट दिस व्यू गाइस, वाह। वी आर इन अ वैली सो इट्स कम्प्लीटली सराउंडेड विथ हिल्स, बट आज थोड़ा क्लाउडी दिख रहा है। होप बारिश ना गिरे, अगर बारिश गिरेगा तो भीगते हुए जाना पड़ेगा। रेन गियर तो है बट स्टिल ये प्लेस से बहुत ही इम्प्रेस्ड हूँ। अंडर लाइक इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट। हियर द फेमस थिंग इज sand dunes. There's sand dunes, double hump camel. So now we will be going there and then leave for Diskit. Diskit is just 20 minutes from here. वहाँ पे you have a monastery. वो monastery देख के then we will be heading to Durbuk, which is near Pangong. एक्चुअली लगेज नहीं है पीछे, सिर्फ टैंक बैग लेके सैंड ड्यून्स जा रहे हैं टू क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स एंड डू सम ऑफ रोडिंग। मेरे लिए वही ऑफ रोडिंग है बस। मेनी पीपल से दैट दिस इज़ नॉट ऑफ रोडिंग। एक बताता हूँ, एवरीवन हैज़ देयर ओन ओपिनियन। आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ ऑफ रोडिंग बिकॉज इवन दिस, नो, आई एम नॉट मच फैन ऑफ, but at this kind of places you have to cross this, right? So even if I buy even a GSA or a Tiger with spoke wheels, I'm not going to do off-roading. We have taken hotel almost near to the sand dunes, so the straight road leads to sand dunes, and here the mountain structures are completely different. All these mountains will be covered with snow in winter. And look at this view guys, amazing, amazing, amazing. So it's a part of a Nubra Valley and it's just completely out of the world. And I know Pangong would be another level, but all these three places are not similar. You can't compare this with Leh or this with Pangong or any other thing. And it's actually below, like below Leh altitude, I think 3000 meters. Yes, so due to which there is sufficient oxygen level as well as temperature is not that cool. People are already here. There is a double hump camel. भैया చూడండి
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సత్యాడు మారేసి కదండి.
దీని వెనకాల అది అబీబీ మ్యూజిక్ ఉంటుంది చూడు, అది పెట్టాలి.
For now, let's say goodbye to Hundar और फिर से आएंगे. It's a very beautiful place, must visit. There's not much difference in distance between Hundar and Diskit, but I would say Hundar, staying in Hundar is better. This is the Diskit monastery on the top.
If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing, this is true.
So we are here at Buddha statue in Diskit. Amazing place to be here. और पीछे valley. Hello. We are meeting the same people since like Srinagar. Like they are going on the same route. This is the valley. और वहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा, वो है मोनेस्ट्री. वहाँ पे नहीं जा रहे. It's amazing. So here we are leaving from Diskit and heading towards Pangong. That would be our final destination of this trip. Like उसके बाद return journey का plan शुरू. Goodbye. It was a wonderful day spending in Diskit and Hundar. One of the best places for me. Wow, we missed this. Shit. Time नहीं है, क्या करें? Yeah, we have a zip line here. I think that would be a wonderful experience, but it's already 1 o'clock and it's very late. तो थोड़ा पेट्रोल ले लिया है इमरजेंसी के लिए. टैंक भी फुल है, 1 पॉइंट कम दिखा रहा है लेकिन फुल है. वो अपडेट हो जाएगा. टाइम इज़ ऑलरेडी 2:30. ले पैंगोंग. सो बेसिकली हम यहाँ से आए थे इस तरफ से एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू पैंगोंग. सो दिस इज़ द रूट टू गो. Oh ho 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 ho. Have to go very careful. I think this route is a bit muddy, sandy, I can say. There is a lot of sand on road. That to find sand, to be very careful. Oh, the road condition is very 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 bad. If this kind of road is there till Pangong or Durbuk, then तो हो गया काम. We are done with till Durbuk. Pangong कल चले जाएंगे. Again there is off-roading. I think this would be the most adventurous route we will be taking.
A few minutes later.
If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing, this is true love, I swear it. And we need to make a choice right now. You know this good.
This kind of passes I like. Ooh, water is flowing below. Traction control off. It easily goes. What a route. Amazing. Like road बहुत ही अच्छा है, but you can see it's completely valley. The route is just amazing, you know. पानी के साथ साथ चल रहे हैं हम और यहाँ पे एक नया ब्रिज मिला है, which is like an exciting place to wait and click pictures. Wow, the water sound is just pleasing.
1 hour later.
Finally we have got camp in Pangong and heading there now. So it's hardly 40 kilometers. So we will be staying in Man. There is a town called Man. GoPro का बैटरी भी ख़त्म हो गया है. I'm recording it by plugging in this power supply. The time right now is 7 estimated arrival time in Pangong is 8:30, almost 8:20. I hope there is sunlight till then. Wow, till then, so let's hope for that. You can see Pangong Lake. Man, it's amazing feeling here. Oh my god. Shit, it's completely chilled here, but still I just want to go near the lake, yaar. Everything is full packed, and luckily we found a place to stay. So beautiful, yaar. कैमरा में समझ में नहीं आएगा, really. GoPro में समझ में नहीं आएगा. The view from here, the first glance, even on map, there was a spot called first view of Pangong Lake. So you can think how important and how beautiful it looks starting from that point. Fog is settling on my visor. Oh my god, I'm just rushing. My friends are yet to come, but I just wanted to go before the sunlight goes off, because tomorrow evening we won't be there. Oh. There's heavy wind, dust, off-roading. The temperature is, I think it would be 4 or 5 degrees, आराम से. But still, I just don't want to stop. Yes! Finally we have arrived to Pangong Lake. Wow, no words. The color of this lake is completely different. I have never seen this kind of color. We have snow-capped mountains, and on the left we have the beautiful Pangong Lake. There are a lot of tents, camps, but the only disadvantage here is there is no network. You won't have network here.